Today we're making these chewy white chocolate and cranberry cookies, and they're kind of unique because in addition to vanilla extract, they also have a little almond extract that gives them a unique flavor. I found this recipe in our local paper. It's white chocolate and cranberry cookies, and it looked really interesting. So what you'll need is a half a cup of softened butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of regular sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of white chocolate chips, 3/4 cup dried cranberries. The first thing we're going to do is get the butter and the sugar mixed together. To the bowl, we're going to add the brown sugar and regular sugar to the butter. We're going to get this blended together. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. A teaspoon of almond extract. One egg. Get this all mixed together. Next, we're going to add the salt and the baking soda. The flour. We're going to get this mixed together. Next, we're going to fold in the chocolate chips and the cranberries. We're going to place these into a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. This recipe yields 2 dozen cookies, and the boys love them. That little bit of almond extract really makes this cookie unique. Now, I'm still doing keto, so I'm not partaking in the cookies, but we do a lot of baking during the holidays, and this is definitely a keeper. I'm adding it to my holiday baking binder. All right, guys.